to the flat and get some fresh air. I'm so tired. Oh, the bread looks nice. I have just made myself a homemade pizza. It looks a bit of a mess. I don't think it's my finest work. I know some people will be like, what on earth is that? But I like them. I am just eating my lunch right now. I bought this when I was out earlier, but I don't really like it. I think it tastes kind of weird. But I am, this is kind of embarrassing, but I am a cow's milk drinker. I don't really like plant milks, unfortunately, but I don't know, this just kind of tastes a bit odd to me. I went for a walk earlier with my sister and her dog, which was very nice. Now I'm back at the flat. It's almost 4 actually, it's quite late. But I am just absolutely exhausted. I just want to sit on the couch and watch Gossip Girl and just not do anything else today. I've been so busy recently. Over the past like month, I was in France with Danny's family, and then I came back and it was my brother's graduation, and then we were dog sitting for Danny's parents, and then it was my graduation, and I was out last night because it's my friend's graduation, and then it's my other friend's graduation today. So there has been a lot of stuff going on, all very fun stuff, but I'm very tired. You can probably tell. I just like want to just sit and not do anything. But I think I am maybe going for drinks tonight for my friend's graduation. I was gonna go home today and spend the night because Danny's in London tonight, so I'm by myself, but I didn't want to miss my friend's graduation drinks, so I don't think I'm gonna go home. I still could, to be honest, but I feel like I'd like to be there to celebrate with her. I'm just like looking around at the flat and I'm like, I really need to tidy, but I really don't want to do that. I'm also going through a bit of a stressful time right now with like job searching and stuff like that. I think I spoke about this in another vlog, but I'm not 100% sure. But I have been rejected from all of the jobs, pretty much all of the jobs I've applied for. So that's quite stressful. I also can't really just find anything that like sounds like something I could even do or like to do. But I have been offered something, and it's really stressed me out, to be honest, because it's like such a big thing. Like I would need to move away to a different country for a year. I would say what it was, but I'm like really paranoid that the people are gonna watch it, which I don't think they would. But basically I'd have to move away for like 12 months without anyone. Like Danny couldn't come, Bones couldn't come, and I wouldn't really have a lot of like free time and stuff to like be able to come home and things like that. And it's just not, I don't know, at the start it sounded like a great idea, and now that they've offered me it, I'm like, I don't really know if I'm ready to make that step by myself. But I could love it. Everyone I've spoken to says that I shouldn't go. They don't think that's a good idea. So I don't know. I'm like really having, I'm worried I'm gonna say no and then I'm never gonna have an opportunity like it again, and like an opportunity to live somewhere else. But I know that's not the case. But what if it is the case? I think if I knew that like Danny and I were definitely gonna move somewhere in the next like 6 months or like the next year, then I wouldn't go. But I think I'm worried that I'm gonna get to this time next year and have like, obviously I have to get a job, so I'll have like worked something maybe that I don't like or that wasn't that great for a year, and I'm kind of in the same spot, and will have like missed out on like being somewhere else and living somewhere else and having that job. It's not like a proper job, it's kind of like an au pair thing almost, but it's like a nanny kind of. I don't know, I'm literally like really stressed out about it. Today's Thursday and they said I need to let them know by Monday, but I don't know. Some days I'm like, this is a great idea, I need to be more independent, I'm gonna go move for a year away, and then other days I'm like, no, this is the worst idea ever. And I really like Glasgow and my family are here, my friends are here. It's so hard growing up. I don't want to be a responsible adult with a job and decisions to make. I just want somebody else to make all my decisions for me. It's like, I don't want to choose the wrong thing and then regret it. It's so hard. It's like a really good opportunity, but I just don't know if it's like perfect for me right now. So I'm kind of going through it right now, as you can tell with that. I'm really stressed about it. Oh, it's so hard. I literally like, I'm trying not to think about it because it's just stressing me out so much and I just don't want to have to decide. It's in Paris as well. And like Paris is the place that I've always wanted to live. Like ever since I was young. Like I always wanted to live in Paris. But I just don't know if it's perfect right now, like the specific thing. I'm obviously extremely lucky to even have this issue right now, and I don't want to come across as being like, oh my god, do I move to Paris or do I not? Because that's just stupid. Like obviously I know that it's such a great like place to be in, I guess, to decide, but it's just really stressed me out and I'm just not 100% sure if it's gonna be a bad decision for me right now to do that. The only reason I would be able to go to Paris is because I had this like nannying thing, but I really don't know what decision to make. But anyway, I don't want to sit here and complain because I know I'm in such like a lucky position compared to a lot of people, but it's definitely stressing me out right now. I'm gonna go sit on the couch and watch Gossip Girl. I'm gonna make like a sort of stir fry thing, I think, for dinner. So I have this veg. I do not, oh, hello Bones. I do not like spring onions, so it will be getting taken out. And then I've got some tofu, and I also bought this packet of noodles. But I'm kind of feeling rice tonight, I think. I don't really think I want noodles. And then I've got some cucumber to put on afterwards because I love cucumber in everything. So I'm gonna add that. And then I'm gonna do it, I think, with Korean barbecue sauce, I think.
Because I think when you refresh it, it takes you out of the queue.
Yeah. Oh, one person in front of me. Oh wait. My place in the queue is no longer valid.
What?
No. What, so I presume you can't do it?
On 2 devices.
On 2 devices, yeah. Something plugged in. Oh, do you have to have a controller? It's worked! I feel like I want to watch Breaking Dawn Part 2. I was starting at the end. Yay! That was not that hard. Danny and I are actually going to the cinema tonight. We're going to go see Indiana Jones. It's the new one. It actually comes out today, which you didn't really realise. I don't know if I've seen all of the Indiana Joneses. I know I've seen some of them, so hopefully I don't need to know the whole story. But this is what I'm wearing. Just something very comfortable, quite autumn vibes, but it is really rainy outside and I'm quite cold, so I've gone for this. Thought out by the California sun. What did you think?
What are we doing, a talk? I thought we were doing a talk.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, there's like a lightweight. Let me cover that.
I thought it was pretty fun. It was a bit daft, but it was good fun.
I enjoyed it too. I don't know if you can see me because there's no screen.
Yeah.
I thought it was great. Makes me want to watch the other ones.
They're all on Disney. You go watch them too. I watched one.
I think I have seen all of them.
Yeah.
But like just when I was like really young. But I don't really remember them very much except that one in the Temple of Doom.
Where did all the rainy days go? Where did all the rainy days go? All the rainy days.